Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. First, ensure your unsalted butter is at room temperature, about 115 grams. Combine this with 100 grams of granulated sugar and 160 grams of light brown sugar in a large bowl. Cream these together using an electric mixer until the mixture is pale and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 extra egg yolk, mixing until just combined. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Finally, fold in 300 grams of your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. This creates the perfect cookie base. For the best results, chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Once chilled, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Scoop generous portions of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your warm, gooey, homemade chocolate chip cookies. They are perfect with a glass of milk. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.